I'm joined with James Watson from Immerse. Hi James, could you start off by just telling me a little bit about the company and what it is that you do?
Yeah, sure. We are a company of 20. We've been in existence 4 years, based down in London, and we have a virtual reality platform, and that technology enables you to roll out and scale VR across a large organisation. And that might be the most obvious use case at the moment is training, but that could also look at sort of collaboration or visualization.
You touched on collaboration there. What are the other sort of key benefits of this product for the oil and gas industry?
I mean, there's numerous ones. So first up is you can run health and safety assessments through a VR environment, and you're able to then capture all that data and have that as an audit trail as well. So you have all that data to look back at. The retention of information is proven through VR to be far higher than through desktop learning. So if you think about from an oil and gas perspective, instead of training that employee 3 times a year, you might only have to train them twice because they're retaining that information better. So instantly you've got a huge cost saving. So really I think retention, the data that comes out of it, employee engagement, people really enjoy taking that training, which is unusual. We work with DHL as well, and they actually have people asking to take the training, which normally people run a mile to avoid training. So that whole employee engagement piece is important as well. So yeah, I mean, there's huge amounts of benefits. Those are probably the ones that resonate mostly with this sector.
Brilliant. And looking ahead, what are the plans for the company? What's next for the product and the technology?
Yeah, I mean, the technology moves so fast, it's kind of hard to keep up, really. Our roadmap is forever changing because the technology is developing, and we've got some incredibly skilled developers who are working through that and kind of looking at what's coming up, what we currently have, and how that all fits. And, there's a bit of a risk of getting ahead of yourself with the technology, and we actually need to sometimes just wait for the market to catch up, because you can actually develop for a need that you see, but the market hasn't necessarily actually understood is there. So we just need to make sure that we keep it relevant to what people are asking us, but also having that eye on the future. And that may be including bringing more content onto our platform. So currently we're just looking at VR, but obviously AR content is also incredibly important in this industry. So the ideal would be our platform houses all sorts of 3D related content, 360 video, virtual reality, augmented reality, but that's probably jumping a few years ahead. So I think for now, keeping abreast with what's going on in the VR sector is going to keep us very busy.
Okay, that sounds really exciting. Thanks for joining us today, and enjoy the rest of the event.
Thanks a lot.